guys, welcome to Pinnacle Tennis. This is Manmeet, ITF certified coach, and today we will talk about fundamental of tennis. Before discussing, I really want to ask you one question that even after a lot of practice, are you still not improving your tennis? If you are saying yes, then maybe you are doing some kind of fundamental error. So now talking about fundamentals. What are fundamentals? Fundamentals are the core concepts of the game, or we can say foundation of the game upon which you can build and improve your tennis. For example, if you want to learn English, the very first thing that we will learn is alphabets and the alphabetical order. The same thing is with the tennis. Before you learn tennis, you must understand the fundamentals. Now we will talk about the basic fundamentals that will improve your tennis. The very first fundamental is shuffling. In shuffling, what we do is just alternate between the steps and shift the body weight from one leg to another leg. Shuffling helps the body in better preparation to move to the ball. As we know that tennis is a game of quick change in direction and speedier movements, it becomes very important to keep the body in movement during the rally. So we will show you how to do the shuffle. As you can see, player is alternating between the steps and shifting the body weight from one leg to another leg. And you can see the body is moving and body is ready to do any kind of movement. One more thing is, when doing shuffling, keep your racket in front position. And there is also a second way to do shuffling, that is just simply minimum twist of your body will do the things, okay? Second fundamental is split step. As we have discussed earlier that tennis is a game of change of direction and quick movements, it becomes very important to use the legs in a very quick way, and reaction time needs to be quick also. Split step helps us to have quick reaction to the ball, because when we do split step, legs becomes like a spring and it becomes very easy to give the quick movement in a desired direction. So now we will show you how to do the split. So we will start with the shuffle, and then we have to make a mini jump over our feet, and that is a split. As you can see, when players do a split, he is ready to move in any direction quickly. Third tennis fundamental is taking the racket back. Taking racket back is simply just preparing your racket to hit the ball. To do the racket back, we have to do is turn our hip, trunk and shoulder along with the racket. And while taking racket back, we have to release our racket on 90-degree angle and then separate left hand and racket, okay? That's how I will do the racket back. Now we will show you how to do the racket back, okay? Let's move. Just simply, yes, one more time. And good. Okay, let's do it easy, slow, simple. Now as you can see, the player is turning his hips, trunk and shoulder. Left hand is free and targeting to the ball, and racket is facing towards the back fence, okay? And one important thing to do is to really load your right leg to have a powerful stance. So that all will help you to have a nice powerful, stable preparation to hit the ball. The fourth fundamental is step in and moving to the ball. As we know that modern tennis is about powerful strokes, it becomes very important to hit the shot using your full body, and step in helps you to transfer your body weight into the ball. So now we'll show you how to do the step in and moving to the ball. Okay, so we'll start with the shuffle split racket back, and then we'll pick up our non-dominant foot forward and we'll make a neutral stance. As you can see, player is picking up his non-dominant foot forward and made a neutral stance. And another important thing that we need to take care upon is we have to keep our base nice and wide. And one more thing, we have to keep our legs low to make more powerful stroke out of the ground. Okay, and immediately after you did step in, you have to move in direction of the ball as quickly as possible to hit the shot on time. The fifth tennis fundamental is contact and following through. Contact is simply a contact between your racket and the oncoming ball to make a shot. One most important thing that we need to take care is that our contact must be in front of the body. It should not be too front, so that you have to stretch your body just nicely in front of your body. Okay, after contacting, we have to extend through the ball, or we can say we have to let the racket go with the ball to have extension on the racket and finishing it on your left shoulder. So now we'll show you how and where to do the contact. So let's go. So as we are simply in a racket back position, and now what we will do is we have a simple contact in front of body. Okay, and one more important thing, we don't have to stretch too much forward to do the contact. Just simply and nicely a comfortable contact in front of body. And after doing the contact, you have to extend through the ball and finish it here. Catch it with your left hand. As we have discussed all the fundamentals, now it's very important to practice these fundamentals as you go on the court. It will help you and improve your tennis in long run. Thanks for watching our video.